Hey guys, so it's still a bit fuzzy, but it's okay, I suppose. I think it's gonna make it worse. 1 second. Let me just get my thing. Hi. I'm making a video as well. Anyways, so guys of YouTube, I forgot what I was gonna say actually. Oh yeah, there is the 2 melodies. If you go in the search bar and type in the 2 melodies, in the description it'll tell you how it's spelt, and then you can just type it in and go sub it, because that's my second channel. So if this channel gets hacked or something, just go and check it. Thanks guys. Bye. Say bye, Shona. Bye. Okay.